If you are looking for a great pair of bone conduction headphones, you're absolutely going to love these. These are open ear, which I like. They're not going to fall off your head at all. They're really, really tight. So this is some of the benefits right here. You're going to get the bone conduction. They're eco-friendly materials. They're lightweight, and you have the hearing protection as well. You're going to get this user manual right here. It walks you through everything you need to do to get them set up. It's super easy. They also come with this charger. This is what they look like on me. So this is what they look like up front and personal right over here. So you got these two that are gonna go over your ears. And then over here, you got the USB. So that's how it's gonna get charged. You got your volume up, your volume down. And to turn these on, we're just gonna hit this button over here on the opposite side over here as well. And then once these power up, you're gonna open up the device you're trying to connect them with. You'll see it is going like that, and you're gonna open your phone, find the device, get these set up, pair them to your phone. Really, really like these a lot. If you're looking for a great pair of headphones, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so you can do this review.